You can check your computer's specifications without needing any third-party software by using built-in tools in Windows. Here are some methods to check different aspects of your system. Using System Information Tool. The System Information Tool provides a detailed overview of your system, including hardware, software, and other essential components. This will open the System Information window, where you can find detailed information about system summary, OS version, manufacturer, model, processor, RAM, etc. Components. Details about hardware like display adapters, storage, audio, and more. Software environment. Installed software and drivers. Using Device Manager. The Device Manager shows the hardware components installed on your computer, and you can check the details for each device. You can expand the categories like processors, display adapters, disk drives, sound, video, and game controllers to see the exact components of your system. Right-click any device and choose Properties for more detailed information like version and driver details. Using Command Prompt. You can use a simple command in Command Prompt to check your system's specifications. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. This will display a detailed report of your system, including OS, RAM, network adapter, and other hardware details. Using DirectX Diagnostic Tool (DXDiag), the DirectX Diagnostic Tool shows detailed information about your system's graphics, sound, and other performance-related components. The DirectX Diagnostic Tool window will open. Here, you can check information about your processor and RAM under the System tab, graphics card and drivers under the Display tab, sound devices under the Sound tab. Using Task Manager for basic specs. You can also check basic system specs using Task Manager. CPU usage and details, number of cores, speed, etc. Memory RAM usage and total installed RAM. Disk space and performance. GPU, graphics processing unit usage and details. Network information, speed and activity.